Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is I. And today, we working on something. So we got out here and got this pile. So working on that. And then after the pile, that's about the interesting part. Oh, yes. Nothing like building a snow cave. That's right, snow cave. Everybody loves a snow cave. And it's surprisingly warm in here after a while. Still got some work to do, but it's been fun so far.